Commit your works to the Lord, and your thoughts shall be established. Proverbs chapter 16 verses 3. Hello, beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so very much, family, for coming back. New today, we have this tasty, super delicious, yummy, fresh tilapia live soup. Let's get started. It's so good. So let's start off by working on our tilapia right now. So I am going to go ahead and cut off the gills and the fins and all the unwanted parts that I do not want to have in my soup. And I'll also wash it with some lime juice and cold water. It's very important, okay? So right now the tilapia is looking so fresh, and it's now time for me to cut them into manageable sizes. I like to cut them into 3 equal parts, but do you, darling? Go ahead and do whatever that you please, all right? They are looking absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? So it's now time for me to season it, and I'm going to season it with some garlic, ginger, and onion paste, and I also add a little bit of salt. In my soups, if you always been here with the soup recipes, you know I try as much as possible not to use any form of artificial spices, because to me, soup is something that needs to have its natural taste. All these artificial spices really overpowers the taste that I love to have in my soup. Very aware that all these spices are very much popular on the market, but trust me, if you begin by adding all natural spices to your dishes, you're going to even love it more. Try it, keep on trying, and you will be a believer. Trust me, it is just the best, and also very healthy. Okay, so let's go ahead and introduce our other ingredients. Of course, we have our seasoned tilapia here. We'll be adding some cured salted beef and some salted pig feet as well, just to build flavors. It is very optional. If you do not want it, don't use it, okay? And I also have some prekese as well. All these are natural flavors. For the vegetables, I'll be using some tomatoes, carrots, some red bell peppers, and some onions. Natural spice blend mix, which I also have a link here. I'll link it right here and down below as well. Of course, some pepper and salt. All right, so let's begin by adding our cured meat and the prekese. As I said, these two are very optional. If you do not like them, do not begin with them at all. Just go ahead and add the prekese to begin with, okay? And I soaked them also to release lots of the salt that it has. And I'm going to add my blended natural spices, which contains some ginger, garlic, and onions, and a little bit of anise seed. Okay, I'll add a little bit of water and just allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. And while at it, I'm going to also boil my vegetables on this side. So the cooking time for the vegetables is the same time I need to steam the cured meat as well. So it's going to be perfect all together. 10 minutes later, the steamed meat is done and the vegetables are also very well cooked. So I am going ahead to just give it a little bit of stir, making sure that there is nothing stuck under the bottom of the pot. And I'm going to rinse or take out the water that I used to boil the vegetable. Water contains lots of nutrients, so please do not throw it away. All right. So once I'm done, I'm going to give everything a blend. Of course, I'm done with the blending process. I'll go ahead and add everything back to the base of the soup. It is really, really easy. This soup recipe is quick and easy. And once I add the blended vegetables, I'll go ahead and give the blender a little bit of rinse and add it to the base of the soup, and then add finally my tilapia fish. And once the tilapia goes in, you get to decide whether to add lots more water or not. I love this kind of soup extra light because this is light soup, not thick soup, okay? But you decide how thick or light you prefer yours, okay? And please, if you're watching and you're enjoying what you're seeing, please be sure to give me a like, okay? And if you're done watching it, make sure you share to a few friends and family as well. And because I'm using the cured salted meat, I did not go ahead to add any more salt. And of course, the fish was also seasoned with salt in the beginning. So I tasted and I felt like I did not need no more salt. So please be mindful of that. All that you have to do is halfway cover it and make sure that it is really boiling for about 15 minutes and your soup should be ready. Fam, this tilapia fish is very fragile. You don't want to go ahead and overcook it, okay? So after 15 minutes, your soup should look like this and it is ready. No stress. Quick recipe, so tasty and very, very healthy as well. Look at the fish. We had our fish in whole. Each one of them were all in whole, and that is how your tilapia soup should look like, okay? I really love to also have this kind of soup on its own. Is a healing soup. It is so healthy. Sipping it on its own is just takes you to another land, like it is so good. But of course, I know I have some fufu squad on this team, so yes, absolutely go ahead and serve it with some fufu. You can also have it with some rice, you know, some fancy kenke, anything that comes in mind, okay? It will pair very well. And just look at our beautiful fufu ready to be demolished. So good, family. I really hope you learned a thing or two here, and I really hope you give this a try. Thank you so very much, family, for your amazing and warm company. Thank you for watching right to the end, and if you did enjoy it, please do not forget to give me a like, comment down below, and share to a few friends and family as well. As we already know, sharing is caring. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day.